Hey guys, Travis here from Lauxes Grates. Today I'm going to go through which size waste outlets fit into the three common puddle flanges that I have here. So I have a 50mm, an 80mm and a 100mm. So with our waste outlets, we need them to fit in loosely into the puddle flange. This allows any water that seeps through the tile to still find its way through into the puddle flange. So to start with, I've got a 40mm waste outlet of ours, which as you can see fits in nice and loose. Moving on to the 50mm, this one here also fits nice and loose. So the 50mm we can use either a 40 or a 50. Moving on to the 80mm puddle flange, same scenario, the 40mm will fit nice and loose there, and also the 50mm, and then I'll try the 72mm. As you can see, 72 is too big, so we can't use that in this scenario. Moving on to the 100mm puddle flange, I use the 72mm, which fits in nice and loosely here, and also you can use the 80mm in this scenario also. And here, as an example, we have a NXT14 with an 80mm waste outlet. As you can see, it fits in nice and loose, allows the grate to fit level, and allows any water that seeps through the tiles to still make its way through. Thanks guys. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our Lauxes team.